What's up, y'all? It's PreacherLawson in the building. What's up? Yes, got another clip for y'all that you might like, and you might subscribe to this type of humor. I'm trying to like put those words, the like, subscribe in the conversation, so then like gets in your head. Then you're like, I don't know what it is, but I need to like something. I need to subscribe, and then you do it to my channel. That's what you should do. You should like, subscribe my stuff, and even if you don't like it, I don't care. But just say, leave a comment, you know what I mean? Leave a comment. Ha, ha, ha. I don't know what you want to do. Just make some noise on my page, but you can't make any noise. This is getting weird. Anyway, so I got another clip. I was in Ohio, at Ohio University. Okay, that was pretty cool. In Athens, and it was a great show. It was a lot of birds at my show, apparently. And you will see what I'm talking about soon. You will see what I'm talking about. You'll be like, that was weird, preacher. Anyway, so check it out. Let me know what you think.
I don't remember, but I'll tell people my name is Preacher. And everyone here is Preacher, but they think of different names on their own. They're like, what's your name? I'm like, Preacher. Richard? No. It started with a P. Come on, man. Like, why would you? What I'm laughing at? The Pillsbury Doughboy's wife? What is it? Stop poking her in the belly. What I'm laughing at? You can tell she was laughing with her tongue out. Laughing like a turkey. I feel bad whoever's in front of you. Who licking me, man? Feel like somebody licking. I was just laughing. All right, now I gotta redo the whole joke. Hey, how was 17 of y'all just now coming in? Like, you know how long y'all been on stage right now? Y'all are so organizedly late, you know? Like, that was like a bunch of pigeons. Like, you just... Got some pigeons over here. We got a turkey laugh. What's next? Just waiting on ostrich lady. I'm just waiting on her. She can get him go to the bathroom. Man, dang it. I forgot my ostrich lady. She did a great job, man. She did some silly stuff when I was growing up. You okay? First time drinking water? You all right? All right. You all right? Are you transforming, ma'am? Babe, what time is it? In my bedroom. All right. My cough is that. So powerful and short, you know what I mean? That'd be a scary sound. Like, I hope you got a cough where people can see you. If I just heard that sound. I'll be gone, girl. I would have left everybody in here. Good thing I seen you. I'm like, where Preacher going? Where Preacher going? Yeah. I got asthma every single time. I'm like, okay. Is that funny to you? I got asthma. We found the other bird laugh. We got you. I don't even remember yours, but whatever. There's no way you weren't throwing your head back laughing like that. What if you just looking forward? That's creepy. You have to throw your head back. That laugh is too creepy. I feel like a bunch of birds, crows just start coming down. Simple. But I just love this. I love this. I love this job, man. It's pretty cool, man. Before, okay, my bad. Here I go. Casper was hilarious. You guys just tripped me out with the late laughs. It's like, is this gonna keep going? Y'all gonna keep just amping up? You laugh. She's trying to hold it in there.
What's up, y'all? It's PreacherLawson. I hope you enjoyed that clip you watched. I'm sure you did, because you made it to the end. There's no way that you got to the end and you're like, this was stupid. You loved it. You like it. You want some more of it. So subscribe and like. Make sure you do all that. See you next time.